The Lantern of Kindness. Come closer, my dear little listeners, and let your old storyteller wrap you in a tale as cozy as a quilt on a chilly night. Picture a village hugged by golden fields and a twinkling brook, where the air smells of fresh bread and wildflowers. This is the story of Leela, a girl with a heart as bright as a summer day, and the magical lantern of kindness that lit up her world. So, snuggle up, let the worries of the day slip away, and let's wander into this gentle adventure together. Leela was a girl of 9, with braids that swung like ropes and eyes that sparkled with curiosity. She lived in a cottage with her father, a baker whose laughter filled the air like the scent of his warm loaves. Leela loved helping in the bakery, kneading dough and handing out cookies to the village children. But what she loved most was exploring the meadows beyond the village, where butterflies danced and the wind whispered secrets. One evening, as the sun painted the sky in shades of peach and lavender, Leela's father told her a tale of a magical lantern hidden in the meadows, one that glowed only for those who carried kindness in their hearts. The next morning, Leela awoke with a spark of excitement. "I'll find that lantern," she vowed, slipping on her patched cloak and a smile. She skipped past the village square where the blacksmith hammered and the weaver hummed, and into the meadows where tall grasses swayed like a gentle sea. The sun warmed her cheeks, and sparrows chirped as if cheering her on. Deep in the meadow, where wildflowers bloomed in bursts of color, Leela found a stone circle, ancient and moss-covered. In its center sat a small lantern, no bigger than a teacup, its glass etched with swirling patterns and glowing faintly with a soft golden light. Leela's breath caught. She reached for the lantern and it flared brighter, warm under her fingers. A voice, soft as a breeze, whispered, "This is the lantern of kindness. It shines for those who share light with others. Carry it, and let its glow guide you." Leela clutched it close, her heart swelling. She ran home, the lantern bobbing in her hands, and showed her father. "It's real!" she cried. He smiled, his eyes crinkling. "That lantern's magic grows with every kind deed, Leela. Use it wisely." The next day, Leela carried the lantern through the village. Its light was faint, but steady, like a candle in a storm. She noticed old Mara, the seamstress, struggling to carry a heavy basket of thread. Leela dashed over, her lantern glowing a bit brighter as she helped carry the load. Mara's tired face softened. "Thank you, child," she said, and Leela felt a warmth in her chest, as if the lantern's light had seeped into her heart. That evening, she shared her supper with a stray kitten, and the lantern's glow flickered stronger, casting golden shadows on the cottage walls. Word spread of Leela's lantern, and the village buzzed with curiosity. The children begged to see it, but Leela noticed its light dimmed when anyone argued or spoke unkindly. "It only shines for kindness," she explained, holding it high. One day, a storm swept through the village, tearing roofs and flooding fields. The villagers were weary, their spirits dampened like the soggy ground. Leela, clutching her lantern, decided to act. She went door to door, offering bread from her father's bakery and helping repair broken fences. Each act, sharing a loaf, tying a tarp, or simply listening to a neighbor's worries, made the lantern glow brighter, its light warm and steady. By evening, the village square was a mess of mud and scattered belongings. Leela stood in the center, her lantern now blazing like a tiny sun. The villagers gathered, drawn by its glow. "Let's work together," Leela said, her voice small but strong. She helped the blacksmith rebuild his forge, and the lantern flared. She sang songs with the children to lift their spirits, and the light danced. Even grumpy old Tobin, who rarely spoke, joined in, hauling wood with a gruff smile. The lantern's glow spread. warming the square like a hearth fire, and the village felt alive again. Days passed, and the village healed, but Leela noticed something new. The lantern's light didn't just shine outward, it reflected back, making her feel stronger, braver, happier. She realized kindness wasn't just for others, it filled her own heart too. One night, a traveler arrived, her cloak tattered and her eyes weary. Leela offered her a warm roll and a place by the fire. The lantern blazed so brightly it lit the whole cottage, and the traveler gasped. "That's no ordinary light. It's the lantern of kindness, passed down through ages to those who spread joy. Keep it safe, child, and share its glow." Leela took the traveler's words to heart. She began teaching the village children about kindness, how a smile, a helping hand, or a kind word could light up the darkest day. The children listened, wide-eyed, and soon they were helping too, sharing toys, picking flowers for elders, and tidying the square. The lantern glowed brighter with every deed, its light visible even from the distant hills. The village became known as the place of light, where strangers found welcome and hearts grew warm. Years later, when Leela was grown, she passed the lantern to a shy boy named Finn, who'd helped her carry flour sacks one rainy day. "Keep it glowing," she told him, and Finn nodded, his eyes bright. The lantern's light never faded, for the village had learned its secret. Kindness is a flame that grows when shared. Travelers spread tales of the glowing village, and children far and wide dreamed of finding their own lanterns lit by the simple magic of a kind heart. So, little dreamers, as you nestle into your blankets, think of Leela and her lantern. Every kind deed you do, whether a smile, a shared toy, or a helping hand, is like a spark that lights up the world. Let those sparks guide you to dreams as warm and bright as the lantern of kindness. Good night, my dears, and may your hearts glow always.